friends. So today we're gonna discuss about the process builder email notification. Okay, so what is this process builder? How to send an email notification through it? So first of all, we should understand when these process builders gets executed. Okay, so this process builder will execute on the DML statements. Okay, DML statement in the sense when you insert a record or when you update it, when you delete it. Okay, so on all these actions on the database side, an event will fire. At that time, the process builder will execute. It seems like your workflows, but the process builder have many advanced features. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to see how to send a email notification using process builder. So as I told you earlier, the process builder will execute only when a DML operation occurs on a certain object. Okay, any object you take, for example, accounts, contacts, custom objects, whatever objects. So any objects you take, whenever the DML operation occurs on that, the event fires. So what are the steps that I have to take to run a process builder for an email notification? First thing you should understand the business requirements. Whenever you are trying to create an email notification, so first clearly understand the business need of it. Okay, what they want to send it, when they want to fire it, how many times they want to fire it. So such sort of questions you should understand before you decide this process builder will be suitable or not. So the first thing, you should understand the business process and then create an email template and then create an email alert and then go to the process builder and create a new process builder. Let's see how to do this. So for this, I'm going to use my Salesforce trial edition. Okay, so what we will do, let me give you a scenario. So my scenario is whenever a user modifies this account record, I want to send an email notification. Okay, that is what is my requirement. Any updates happens on this. Okay, I want to send an email notification. So you might get a requirement, something like, hey, if this uh, if this XYZ field value is changed, then only send it. Users might ask such requirements, and somebody might say, hey, when the owner changes, send an email notification. Okay, not every time. Okay, but in my requirement, every time when this record updates, I want to send an email notification. So for that, what I'll do is, let me go to setup. So I think I know mostly the people who are new to Salesforce, they want to see the process builder. So for you, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. You can pause the video, look at where I'm clicking, and then you can create it. So go to setup. Under quick find, you can try templates. Okay, so I'll go with classic email templates. I'm clicking on classic email template. There are many templates which are already there. So let me create a new template. So when you are creating a template, there are 4 different types of templates available in classic. One is only the text template. It's something like a notepad, okay, where you can just put the dynamic text in it and send it. Then the HTML templates, where in case if you want some images or some hyperlinks, etc., header, footer, everything, then you can go with HTML templates. Then you have the custom templates. Okay, clearly it says without using the classic letterhead. Okay, which means like in the custom, no header and footer, but the HTML text, if you want to keep anything you can do in the customs. Then you have the visual force. Okay, this is the Apex programming again, in case if you want a full, like a screenshots to be added or a charts to be added or something you want to do, then go with the visual force templates. Okay, So there are four different types of templates. So let me go with a simple text template. So I click go with text. So next, and the first thing it's gonna ask me, hey, in which folder you wanna keep it. Okay. So if you put it in your personal folder, that will not be accessible by anyone. So that's gonna be a problem always. So put it on the public folders. So the email template can be accessible to your entire team members. Until unless you put on available for use, you can't use that email template. Let me say Suraj trial email. So I'm giving some name called Suraj trial email. Um, some subject name. So what I want in the subject name is I want to keep the account name on the subject. The account name, which is the dynamic, like you can have the dynamic fields here. So what I do is I go to the fields. Let me go to account fields. What I want, the account name, right? So when you select the fields, automatically you get the text here. Just give some text. Account name is something, okay, and I paste it here. And the email body, this is the testing email for practice. This record has been modified. Something, okay? Click on save. What is my email template name? It's Suraj trial email. Okay? Remember your email template name always. So if you want to test, like instead of process builder, if you want to test, you can click on this button and you can merge your fields and you can test it. That's up to you. And now let me create an email alert. So I'm going here, click on email alert. You see under the workflow actions, you see the email alerts. So go to email alerts, create a new email alert. So let me give my email name as Suraj trial email alert. Okay. It's not mandatory like you have to use the same name. It's not mandatory. You can put any name, but I'm using uh, the same. I'm using the name, so like I can understand. Hey, I'm attaching that particular template to this alert. So that's the reason I follow generally. I follow that format. So on which object? On account object I want to run it. What is my email template? Go here. It's Suraj trial email. You can see here. Select it. And it says, hey, to which users you want to send it. I want to send it to this user. Okay, you can search whether you want to go with the roles wise or you on the email fields on your account or the related contacts one, whatever you can choose it. So I'm directly selecting the user, that's my name, so the email will fire to me. And just click on save. So I completed my step 2 also. So the first step what I did, I created an email template. Step 2 what I did, I create an email alert. What is the third step? That's a process builder. Let me go to process builder. So I'm just typing process so I can quickly find it here, opening in a new tab for your reference. And again, it's not mandatory to open in a new tab always, okay? You can open in the same window as well. So I click on new. Let me give a Suraj trial email. So there it says when you want to start it. I say on the same record. I click on save. So this is my new process builder. So I go and add the object on which object it has to be fired. So it's going to be an account. I can type it as well. Okay, it's not mandatory like you have to go to a drop down selection only. You can type it account. And when you want to fire this, only when a record is created or a record is created or edited. What is my requirement? My requirement is whenever it is modified, I wanna send it. When I say modified, it comes under create also. Okay, so I click on create or edit, click on save. So now I'm saying that hey, on account object, whenever the uh, modifications occurs, this will fire. So this is the criteria where you can add the criteria when it has to fire an event. So based on your requirements, as I said, few people might ask, hey, if XYZ field values change, then only send it, or else don't send it. Few people might ask if the owner change, send it. So you have to be careful while putting the criteria. So I put the criteria as email notification. Any name you can give. There are three different ways you can add it. So I'm saying when all these conditions are met, then only do it. Or else you can go with the formulas. You can use formula, or without any criteria also directly you can run it. That's up to you. Okay, whether you want to put some conditions or you don't want, or you want to use some formulas, that's up to your requirement. So I'm saying that whenever my account phone, I'm just putting some condition here. Okay, why phone? No, I don't want to go with phone. I say that the account name. Okay, so an account name does not equal to null. Okay, so I'm saying that whenever my account name not equals to null, then this email will fire here. So in the types you will see the string text or a field reference you can take, or you can use the formulas, or you can use global constant. So I'm using the global constant. So string means you can put some hard-coded value. Field reference means you can refer any of the other fields. Formulas means based on your conditions, if it returns true, then only it will run, or else no. Okay, so here again you have the and or conditions. You can customize it, or you can put and or. It is a simple way. If you want all the conditions to be satisfied, if you have multiple, then you can put and. If you don't want, you can go with or. If you want, say, few of them and few of them or, then go with customize. Click on save. And here I come with the action. You see here, if it's the false, if the condition doesn't satisfy, then it goes down to the false. If its condition satisfies, then it goes to true. Now I'm going to click on action. So the action says, hey, what I want to do, send an email alert. Okay, I say I give some name, email alert, and the name is up to you guys how you'll identify it. And what is my process, my email alert name? That's something like Suraj trial email alert. I'm typing it, it helped me. This is a wonderful feature, you know. You need not to type the entire thing. As and when you keep typing, you get the list in the drop down. I like this feature a lot in the Salesforce. Okay, because you put few characters, it shows you the output. Very nice. Okay, let's click on save. So now my process is done. Until you activate it, it's not going to work. Click on activate, get your message, and then confirm. Now this is the activate. I'll go to my account, make some changes. Already I have given some name, so my condition will definitely pass there. I give some type here on my account, some value, and I click on save. Oops, it sent an email now. But how do you know whether email sent or not? I have to go back to my emails and check it. I'm gonna pause my screen for some time because I don't want to show my emails to you. Okay, here you go. See, I got a message. My account name pops up here, and this is what is the message from my email template. Hidden. That's all. Hope you enjoy this particular session. If you have any questions, you can get back to me, send an email, so I'll reply you all. Thanks for watching.